what's one real piece of advice you can give anyone who is, struggling with porn, unsure of the next steps of where they're at with porn, just dealing with porn in general?
Decide today. If you're really struggling, make the decision today that you're ready to stop. And like Tony Robbins says, a decision is not a decision until you take an action step. So decide that you're going to quit today and then take a step. Now, what is that step? Reach out to somebody. I think that's the best place to start, is you need to recruit some type of accountability into your life. I don't think it should be your wife or your partner. Reach out to a friend, colleague, pastor, group leader, coach, therapist, somebody, expert. I don't care who it is. Somebody that you can trust in, because you're going to share some open, vulnerable parts about your life, but be somebody that you actually know, like, it's going to hold you accountable. Don't call your friend that you go drink on Friday night with and end up, trying to pick up girls. That's not your accountability friend. That's your friend that you probably need to get rid of in your life. Call somebody that's ahead of you in life. Like that person that when you see them, you're like, dude, I wish I had that guy's life. Well, recruit that guy into your life. And then call him up and be like, dude, will you be my accountability partner? And trust me, if any man has overcome this in his life, he will take you on as a mentor or mentee or whatever. That's one of the greatest things I've been able to experience as I've been working, with hundreds of men over the last couple of years, is once you find this freedom, it's like you just want to go back and give it to everybody else. So I would say make a decision today, take an action step, find somebody, recruit them into your life, and let this process unfold. And I mean, if you need some stuff to check out our YouTube channel. We got a free book, whatever. I'm not going to plug all my stuff here, but there's plenty of places to find some resources out
No,
there.
I love it. Do it. You know how it ends. We end with you telling people how they can find you, connect with you, what you got going on. So tell them.
Yeah, I mean, if today's conversation is you want more of this, we do daily videos on YouTube. It's a Rebuild Your Life channel. Literally every Monday through Friday, there's a new video that's dropped. You can check out our book. I have a free ebook. It's a 7-step guide to living life without porn. You can find that at www.the7stepguide.com. That is our exact process that we use with our students and clients here. Obviously in the one-on-one work we do, we go deeper, but that will give you the formula to identify your triggers, to build a wall around your life, to create a vision for your life, to build a plan that can be executed upon, how to have belief in yourself, and then how to find accountability. Those are the 7 steps we'll walk you through. So check all that stuff out on my Instagram at the Superhuman Frank. If you guys like the podcast, we've had some amazing guests on in the past couple of months. Roman was on episode 51. That is at the Superhuman Life on Apple, Spotify, whatever platform wherever we're in the world these days. So I'm not hard to find. Just search Frank Rich Porn, search the Superhuman Life Frank Rich, and you'll find me. But I'd say the YouTube channel, Instagram, and the ebook are the best places.